Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to see past activity in your BitGo account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in bitgo.com and click on Enter. You'll be directed to official page of BitGo. Now, at the top navigation bar, you will see a login link. Click on it. After logging in, at the top navigation bar again, you will see 9 dots here. Click on it. At the bottom of these options, you will see Past Activity button. Click on it. And you can see all of your past activity of BitGo account. You can also add filters to see it. To clear the filter, you can select it from individually here. And you can also clear all filters from this button here. So that is how you can see your past activity in BitGo account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.